welcome to my channel. I'm at Dhan Mill compound in Chattarpur area. It's a cool new place which has got a mix of cafes and boutiques and designer labels and art galleries. I had come for an opening of an art exhibition at Nature Morte, and I thought I'd make a video about Dhan Mill in the evening. It's close to 8 o'clock. Mostly people come here during the daytime, but this is like around 8 o'clock, and I thought I'll go and see the exhibition, make a video and show this place around. So let's get started. So this is Cafe Dori and Napa Dori, which is one of the most popular places in Dhan Mill and one of the oldest. I have made many videos of Dhan Mill in the past, and yeah, that is Nature Morte Art Gallery where I would be going. So you can have a look at it. So we are inside the gallery now. This is the opening night of the new art exhibition, which features the works of Manu Parekh. Manu Parekh is one of India's leading artists, and this show is titled Flower Sutra, and the paintings in this exhibition have all been done recently in the last 2 years. So the launch was quite well attended, as you can see. So I'm out of the gallery right now. The evening is almost over, and this place closes by 7:30. Only few stores are open, like this one of Satyapal. But if you want to come here, the best time is to come in the afternoon. By this time it kind of shuts down. So most of the boutiques are closed here. Cafes are open, few of them, but not much. So the best time to come to Dhan Mill is in the afternoon. So right now it is quite deserted. So that was my short video of Dhan Mill in the evening. I had come for an art exhibition opening at Nature Morte. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.